The journey of premium ginger paste begins here, on expansive industrial farms dedicated to high-yield cultivation.
Ideal soil conditions and controlled irrigation ensure the rhizomes develop the robust flavor profile required.
Beneath the surface, the ginger roots mature, absorbing nutrients critical for a pungent and spicy finish.
Modern agriculture combines traditional cultivation with mechanical efficiency to meet global demand.
Specialized harvesters gently uproot the rhizomes, minimizing damage to the delicate skin. As the crop is lifted, excess soil is mechanically separated, leaving only the viable root structures. Field technicians perform an initial quality check, discarding any roots that fail to meet size standards. Once sorted, the harvest is consolidated into heavy-duty crates, ready for immediate transport.
Logistics networks ensure the raw ginger reaches the processing facility within hours of harvest.
The destination is a state-of-the-art facility designed for high-volume food processing and safety. Upon arrival, the cargo is docked at receiving bays, strictly controlled for hygiene and temperature.
Material handlers transfer the crates to the intake line, where the industrial transformation begins.
The roots are fed onto the primary conveyor, beginning a rigorous cleaning and preparation sequence.
High-pressure water jets remove stubborn soil and debris, ensuring a contaminant-free base.
Rotating drum washers utilize friction and turbulence to polish the surface of every rhizome. Vibrating conveyors shake loose excess moisture, preparing the clean ginger for inspection. Experienced staff perform a visual audit, removing any imperfect roots before mechanical peeling.
Only the highest quality ginger is permitted to proceed to the peeling and grinding stages.
Abrasive rollers gently remove the thin outer skin without sacrificing the flavorful flesh underneath. Precision calibration ensures that waste is minimized while the skin is effectively stripped away. The peeled ginger emerges vibrant and clean, ready for the mechanical breakdown process. The roots enter a heavy-duty chopper, which reduces them into manageable, uniform chunks.
High-speed blades rapidly dice the ginger, increasing the surface area for the grinding phase.
Uniformly chopped pieces are conveyed upward, destined for the industrial milling units.
In the main processing hall, powerful grinders await to transform the solid root into a pulp.
The raw chunks are force-fed into the crushing chamber, where the cellular structure is broken down.
Interlocking gears crush the fibers, releasing the potent juices and essential oils.
The initial output is a coarse mash, which still retains a significant amount of fibrous texture.
Industrial pumps transfer this coarse mixture through a sealed network to the fine milling station.
Secondary milling machines apply finer tolerances to achieve a perfectly smooth consistency. The result is a silky, uniform paste, free of coarse fibers, and ready for formulation. Operators monitor flow rates and motor loads to maintain consistent output quality.
The raw paste accumulates in holding tanks before entering the cooking and preservation stage.
This buffer storage allows for continuous operation of the packaging lines downstream. Automated agitators keep the mixture homogeneous, preventing separation of solids and liquids.
Preservatives and acidity regulators are precisely dosed to ensure shelf stability and color retention.
Thorough blending integrates these ingredients, locking in the fresh flavor profile.
The paste is then transferred to steam-jacketed kettles for thermal processing. Temperature is raised to a critical point to eliminate bacteria without cooking the flavor out.
Heat exchangers rapidly pasteurize the product, ensuring food safety standards are met.
Process engineers closely monitor the thermal curve to guarantee sterilization.
Immediately after heating, the paste is rapidly cooled to halt the cooking process. Inline sensors continuously measure viscosity, ensuring the texture meets consumer expectations. The refined, pasteurized product is now ready for the final transfer to the packaging hall. Automated valve clusters route the finished paste to specific filling lines with zero manual intervention.
A complex network of sanitary piping distributes the product across the sprawling facility.
Between batches, automated cleaning systems sanitize the lines to prevent cross-contamination. Downstream, high-speed robotics prepare the packaging materials with unmatched efficiency.
Autonomous vehicles transport packaging components exactly where and when they are needed.
Vision systems guide robotic arms to remove any defective containers before filling.
In the quality control laboratory, samples from every batch undergo rigorous analysis.
Acidity levels are tested to the decimal point to ensure the product remains safe and stable.
Visual inspections confirm the paste maintains its signature vibrant golden hue.
Only after receiving a digital clearance from the lab is the batch released for packaging. Glass jars pass through a UV sterilization tunnel, eliminating airborne contaminants. Volumetric fillers dispense the exact grammage of paste into each jar with high precision. Multi-head fillers allow the line to process hundreds of units per minute.
Rotary cappers apply and torque the lids, creating a hermetic seal to lock in freshness. Induction sealers bond a foil liner to the jar rim, providing tamper evidence and leak protection. High-speed rollers apply the branding labels, giving the product its final retail appearance.
Laser coaters etch batch numbers and expiry dates for complete supply chain traceability.
At the end of the line, robotic palletizers stack the cases for distribution.
The finished pallets are stored in high bay warehouses before shipping to markets worldwide.
From a root in the soil to a jar in your kitchen, this is the engineering behind Ginger.